Hello and welcome in SCADA world. Today I have some, let's say, answers for the global color scheme because I have a lot of questions regarding these colors changing. For example, if you have some rectangles, some, let's say, buttons, or for example, if you have some kind of controls and you have the HME symbol library. For example, if you take the pump. And every time the question is how to change the colors regarding some IO fields. For example, I will take the IO field. I will put the tag 1. This is just 32 bits tag. Okay, let's go with the font center and the center. And for example, how to make the colors changed when we change the IO field value. For example, if we have 1, it will be green. If we have 0, it will be gray or something. So first of all, you have the options, the geometry, the color, the background color, you see, and on the dynamic dialog you can set up your idea. For example, if you have the analog, you can put some data. For example, if you have the 0, you have the gray. If you have 1, you have, for example, some green color. And if you have some other, you have, let's say, pink. This is the one. And now it's the time for the global color scheme. You have to go to effects and you have to turn off the global color scheme. So now it will be running. The same it should be with the buttons. If you work with the buttons, you have the colors, you have the background color, and you can, for example, put the VB as action, and this action will be, for example, dim AA, and this AA is HME runtime tags, and you put the name of your tag and you read data. Yeah, and for example, if AA is 0, then else AA is 1, then else if else and if This is just the template because I want to put some else functionality. And right now we can put some RGB color. So our back color trigger, and now here it will be here, is RGB. And for example, 1 to 7, 1 to 7, 1 to 7. The green color will be different, RGB, so green is second, so it will be 0, 255, and the blue is also 0. And if we have some other, let's put some red, can be 0, and blue also 0. And now we can set up something like that, no error. Okay, let's save this. And also we have option effects and global color scheme. The objects like this, it's a little bit different because we have to work with different options. Let's try. As you see, I don't change this color if I only change some colors, but after I go to symbol appearance, we go to shaded. Now I can move your colors but 4 color. Yeah, it's different color. And now, for example, I can put again some can be no this. Let's put also the tag one, and let's put the also the analog 0 1. So the 0 will be the gray, the 1 will be green, and the different color will be pink. This is the way. And now we can just control by the IO field the colors of these 3 elements. So let's start this. Now everything is gray. Now we can put some 1, and for example we can put the 3, so we have the different, but this one is not working. So let's go and let's check why. I think we have the wrong tag name. Let's check this. Yeah, the small t. Save and start again. So we have the 1, so it's green. The second, it's different, and the 0 will be the gray color. So everything is working. We have to remember about the global color scheme in normal objects like this and this, and for the controls we have to remember about the shaded options. If we put some solid, it's also working. If you go to hollow, it's not working, and for the original we can't change the colors. So it's really important for you to remember that you have to change this property in your symbols. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next videos. Bye.